Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a homeware haul for you all. So as I mentioned in my previous video, my life update, if you haven't seen that, I'll be sure to link that down below and on the screen somewhere. I actually just moved house, which is very exciting. So I am in the process of buying lots of like cool home bits, and I have been doing a lot of home goods shopping because you guys, if you haven't been to Home Goods, in the UK it's called Home Sense and in the US it's called Home Goods. I don't know why, but they're the same kind of store and they have so much good stuff in there. I found so many like great bargains of like really good quality stuff for just cheaper, basically. And yeah, I got lots of really good stuff. I have like 6 bags that are like this big. A lot of them are cushions, but yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much. Let's jump into the video. Okay, I'm gonna pick this up in no particular order, but I'm mostly probably gonna show you all the cushions that I got for the living room. So basically, I will probably insert a cutaway of our couch setup, but it's like a grey, blue, speckled couch. That doesn't really make sense, but it will when you see it. And I wanted to add some kind of like tonal textures and mixture of colours and prints, but like nothing too crazy because our rug is also a print. And everything's kind of in this house is kind of like cabin-y, mid-century modern, if that makes any sense. We live out in the woods, so it's like a real old cabin, which is stunning. So first cushion I picked up was this one. I really liked this kind of knitted texture, and yeah, it's just very cool. On the back it's a plain, and on the front, yeah, you've got this kind of like knitted texture. And this is from the brand Newport, which I've never heard of. And this, when you buy it at Newport, it was $28 and I got it for $20. And I really liked this. I wanted some kind of like lighter, creamier cushions, because you'll see I've got some printed ones in here as well. But I didn't want something just like a white cushion. I wanted like a little bit of something to it. And I think this is really, really nice. So next up in this bag is another cushion, and I also really liked this kind of wiggly texture of, these are all different greys. So you've got kind of like a lighter silvery grey and then into a deeper grey, and it's the same on both sides. And again, like when you start to build all these cushions together, I just like all the textures and colours. And then this one was $16.99 I got it for. And doesn't have a brand on it. Oh, it does. No, doesn't say, it just says it's feather filled. And yeah, I just really liked this alongside that one. Maybe I'll show you all the living room cushions first. So then, my next cushion, I got this one. So you can probably kind of see like what I'm sort of building here with the little text, the prints, and then the plainer ones. So this one I really liked. It's like long. I don't know if I can get it all in the screen there. It's long and it has like kind of a grey print here. Then we've got some darker blues and green, and I just really liked this. I thought something about this cushion was my actual like starting inspiration for the rest of them, and then I kind of built them around. Like I knew our couch, like I say, has like speckled grey, blue and kind of I guess cream in there, and I just wanted something that was like a real statement pillow, and I just liked that this was long, and yeah, I just thought it was really cool. Where is this one from? They put the tag inside sometimes. It is, this one again was $19.99, which I think is an absolute bargain. It doesn't actually even say where it's from, but I just really liked it. And then for a bit of grey texture, so I don't know if you guys know, but UGG do pillows. UGG, really amazing. This pillow is one of my faves that I got, and to be honest, this was like the pillow where I was like, okay, whatever I get, I have to buy this one. Look at these like pretty buttons, they just say UGG on them, and it's the softest. It's like the nicest feeling pillow. Like to lay on this on the couch is gonna feel so nice. This pillow was $49.99 in Home Sense, which is still pricey. It's like $50 for a pillow, but it should have been $70. But this for me was like, okay, the other ones are like $20. I'm just gonna like splash out with this one and get something really, really luxurious. Okay, now on to the bits I got for the bedroom. Now our bedroom is completely not the way it's going to be. The bed is wrong, the bed is an old bed, and the side tables aren't right, and we need lamps and we need a dresser. So right now it's just like a shell, to be honest. The room is just as it's going to be until we start purchasing all the big things. So I just still wanted to get some really new crisp bed sheets, because I thought, you know what, until we buy a bed, I just want it to feel a bit nicer in that room. So I got a couple of things. I picked up a new like duvet cover and pillow set. I love Home Goods for this. I got really nice Ralph Lauren pillows that were like $10 each or something crazy in there for my bed that's in this guest room. So I picked up this set. This is a full queen. This is a queen duvet cover set. See, that's the other thing. We're buying a king bed. But so anyway, this is all very temporary. And this whole set for 2 pillow covers and the duvet was $49.99, which again is a bit pricey, but it's not really. You're getting 3 things in there, and it's really good quality. And it was reduced from $70. And I don't know if you can see the picture there, but it's just white, and it has this like grey trim. It's really pretty and simple, and I just wanted something that was like kind of clean and fresh looking. And then I wanted to get just a throw cushion to go on the bed, because right now we just have pillows. So I picked up this, which I thought was going to look really nice as just one long pillow. I don't know if I mentioned at the beginning of this video, but I moved in with my boyfriend, so we're kind of adjusting to like, I have all like 17 million pillows on my bed with all like stuff, and he has like nothing. So I'm trying to like add little touches just to make it a bit more kind of, I don't know, my style, I guess. This is a Calvin Klein pillow actually. Let's see how much this was. It was $19.99, so $20. I don't think that's bad at all. And what I like about all these HomeSense pillows, all of the covers come off, so you can wash them all, which is amazing because we have a dog, and you know, you never know if someone's gonna like spill something, or like I said, the dog might just jump, and you know, who knows. So it's so nice, and I think this works perfectly. It looks really super chic and stylish with that tiny pop of grey. It's gonna look so great. I'm really happy with that. And then my final couple of purchases were for the bathroom. So as I said, my boyfriend who I live with, he has a few things that are just like in the bathroom that he had. So he has like a tray for all his products, and we don't really have a lot of like storage space in the bathroom right now. The bathroom is being redone, so we can't really change that up until all the cabinets are kind of changed. So I wanted to get a few little things just for like my stuff, so I can have it neatly on the side. So I picked up this little box, which the bathroom, his tray is like a wood tray, and I just thought this is so cool and chic. And if I don't end up using this in the bathroom, once the bathroom's redone, I would love this like in my dressing room, and I could have it on the side with like jewelry and bits in it. And it just has like, it's just wood, and it has this nice Perspex lid, and this was $12.99. And I just thought it was really cool. It's very chic, and yeah, I want it mostly for my cotton rounds right now and those bits. And then also my final thing I picked up was a very simple white tray. Like I said, I wanted something for my products, and this was so cheap. It was $7.99, and it's from the same Hotel Balfour, which the bed linen was from. I didn't want to splurge on this because I just thought I just want to get something that's practical, that I can put my things in, that I can have on the side, that makes the bathroom look a little bit neater and tidier. And yeah, I thought this was perfect. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I will be sure to link everything I can in the description down below. Home Goods isn't really online as far as I know, but I'm sure I'll be able to find a lot of these things. If not, I'll link something similar. And don't forget to go and check out my last video about my life update, and subscribe if you're not already. Also, let me know in the comments what other types of videos you'd like to see here on my channel. Are you into hauls? Are you into fashion, beauty, whatever? Let me know down there, and I will see you very soon. Bye!